Now let's take a look at the slave population map. The first thing I'd like you to do is locate the key for the map that's on the map titled 1790. If the area is shaded in light green and an olive color, that means it's unsettled or there are no slaves there. Yellow means under 10% of the population is slaves. Orange is 10 to 30% slaves. Dark orange, like that reddish orange, is 30 to 50% slaves. And if it's a dark red color, that means that over 50% of the population in that area owns slaves. So I'd like you to compare the colors and locations of slavery and slaves in 1790 versus 1860, which is 70 years later. I'd like you to notice the increase in slave population, and I'd like you to also notice the movement of slave population. And we'll take a moment to talk about that. On your chart for handout 2A, it says the South benefited by having slaves who did the hard work on plantations. This means that the South was able to make the money they needed to be successful. And I'd like you to take a look again at the maps, and you should notice that by 1860, the northern states, there is no slave population any longer, and that it is vastly in the southern states at that time. So please record the information on your handout 2A, and then we will move on.